Hi, I'm Patrick Clyde, the rapid river of intelligence that you're going to be sailing down this evening. Make sure you don't drown. Today we're going to be looking at water. What exactly is water? What the hell's the big deal with it? Is it blue or colourless? And is it actually all that important? Well, those questions aren't going to be answering themselves, so let's go and find out! Hi, I'm here with Robert Bath. He's a professor of hydrology. He's basically a doctor of water. Now, that's a bit of a funny name for like a doctor of water, isn't it?
Well, not really. Hydro is the Greek for
No, I mean Bath. It's a bit of a funny name for somebody who's like in love with water.
Oh yeah, I suppose it is.
Yeah, still, it's better than being called something like Dr. Soggy, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, I suppose.
So, what is the big deal with water?
Well, water is basically one of the vital elements to life on Earth. I mean, without water, especially drinking water, we'd cease to exist.
Oh, I don't know. You know, give me an iron brew any day over water and I'd just be, you know, fine and dandy.
Well, Patrick, well, you may say that. Iron brew is in fact mostly water with, I mean, it's packed with sugarings and colourings, which...
Robbie, what are you talking about?
What?
What are you talking about?
Well, iron brew is about 98% water.
No, Robbie, listen, Robbie. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Get it?
That's really quite clever, yeah.
Yeah, it is. Now, what exactly is water?
Well, water...
Give us the rundown on it.
Well, water is a very interesting thing, actually. It's a covalent molecule made of two hydrogen atoms bonded to an oxygen atom,
Right.
which form a liquid.
Correct me if I'm wrong, but you know, hydrogen, oxygen, they're both gases.
Yes, they are both gases.
Now, how can it be that two gases, like hydrogen and oxygen, go together to make a liquid, like water or iron brew?
Well, actually, that's really interesting.
Because it's not like you see water just like floating about in the air, is it?
You do, though.
What?
It's clouds.
Oh no, don't be ridiculous. I mean, clouds aren't water. Well, they're not real water anyway. I mean, you can't actually drink a cloud. And sure, you know, rain comes from clouds, but that doesn't mean they're water. It's just sort of like, you don't really get water falling up into the sky to make clouds, like reverse rain or some weird thing like that.
That's actually exactly...
And anyway, do you think that it's possible that someday the world will actually run out of water? Because that's what I think, and that scares me.
Well, that's definitely a very terrifying prospect, but one that's highly unlikely to happen. See, the beauty of the water system is it's a closed system, which means we don't get more or less water as we progress. This means that, I mean, one need only look at the sea to see the change.
I see what you mean. See what you mean.
Oh.
But, you know, droughts, they do still happen, don't they?
Well, that's more a localized climatic problem. Sometimes climate systems fail for one reason or another, and it leads to a period of drought or flooding which can be catastrophic. However, these periods thankfully pass over time. Alright.
So it's all water under the bridge.
Could you please stop that?
Stop what?
The puns. This is a serious documentary.
What's a pun? Who'd have thought this was what made up clouds, eh? Huh. But apparently, everything's water. That's a liquid. So you could effectively live off iron brew for the rest of your life. Or, you know, beer or petrol. You know, it's all still water, basically. I was doing some experiments with water in this glass earlier. Now, this is one of the most interesting ones that I noted. You fill the glass up with water. The water is perfectly stationary, stays in the glass, but as soon as you turn it upside down, the water falls out of the glass. What the hell's going on there?